Welcome back to ADE lectures. So today we will see the flip-flop conversions. So last class we seen flip-flop conversion from SR to JK flip-flop, SR to D flip-flop, and SR to T flip-flop. Today we will see T flip-flop to D flip-flop and D flip-flop to T flip-flop, vice versa. So before conversion, we need three steps we have to remember. So you have the knowledge about every flip-flop, each flip-flop truth table, excitation table, then only you will convert easily like T to D flip-flop or D to T flip-flop. If you don't know the knowledge of truth table of each flip-flop, it is very difficult to convert. Okay, you have knowledge about truth table and excitation table. So here three steps. One is consider the truth table for destination flip-flop and extend the excitation table of source flip-flop. Draw the K-map for source flip-flop input variable. It will provide expression for conversion. Third one is draw the circuit according to the K-map expression. That is the three steps. Okay. Now we will see T flip-flop to D flip-flop. Okay. T flip-flop. T flip-flop to D flip-flop. Okay. That means D is the source. Sorry, D is the destination flip-flop here. T is the source flip-flop here. Okay. That means what is the first step? Consider the truth table for destination flip-flop. Here destination flip-flop is D flip-flop, means we have to consider or we have to write the truth table for D flip-flop. Okay. So this one is 0, this one is 1. So this is the present state, this one is the next state. So present state is we don't know, means we consider as don't care. So in D flip-flop, if 0 is given, we will get as output as our next state as 0. Here 1 means we will get as it is. That's why D flip-flop is a transparent flip-flop. D flip-flop is transparent flip-flop. Okay, this is the truth table for D flip-flop. So this is the truth table for D flip-flop. Next, excitation table. So excitation table for source flip-flop. Here source flip-flop means T flip-flop. So T means here Qn, we have to write first Qn and Qn plus 1 and T. That means 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now, if 0, 0 is given, what is the excitation table here? Here 0, 1, 1 and 0. This is the excitation table. You have to remember this truth table and excitation table for D flip-flop and T flip-flop. Then only it is easy to convert. If you don't know the excitation table for T flip-flop, it is very difficult to convert from T flip-flop to D flip-flop. Now, what is the first step? Consider the truth table for destination flip-flop and extend it as excitation table. We have to extend here. How to extend? So this one is D, Qn, Qn plus 1 and T. Okay. So D input is 0. Here don't care means either 0 or 1. So here 0, don't care means 0 or 1, 0 as it is. Next case 1. So 1, here don't care means 0 or 1. Okay. Then what is the, when D is equal to 0, what is the next state here? Same state. That means present state only, we will get it as next state. That means 0. Okay. So here 0 and here 0. If D flip-flop input is D is equal to 1 means we will get it as 1. Okay, we will get it as 1. Whatever the input we are given to the D flip-flop, it will appear at the output as a next state. That's why it is a transparent flip-flop. Okay. Then here 0 0. Here 0 0 means Qn is equal to 0. Qn plus 1 is equal to 0. That means we will get here 0. That means here 0. Then Qn is equal to 1 and Qn plus 1 is equal to 0. That means 1 0 case. 1 0 case we will get 1. Then 0 1 case. 0 1 case also we are getting here 1. Next 1 1 case. 1 1 case also we are getting 0 here. So this is the excitation. Now we will find the T. So by using the K map, we will find this one. How to find? It is a two variable K map. So two variable K map, that means this one is 4 boxes. Okay. So 4 boxes means this one is T, this one is Qn 0 1 0 1. How we will get expression for T? Okay, so we are finding expression for T, this one. So T is equal to so when we will get T is equal to 1, this one, if Qn is if D is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 1, then only we will get T is equal to 1. D is equal to 0, Q is equal to 1. So this is D is equal to 0 and Q is equal to 1 means this one. Okay. Then this one, how we will get this one? If D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0. D is equal to 1 and Qn is equal to 0. That means this one. Now map, diagonal mapping is not possible. Then we will map independently. For this we will get, so D bar Qn. D bar Qn. Here we will get D Qn bar. D Qn bar. That means T is equal to D bar Qn plus D Qn bar. It is look like XR. T XR Qn. Okay. T is equal to T expression T is equal to T XR Qn. Okay. This is the expression for, so this is the D. D XR Qn. Okay, this is D Qn bar and D bar Qn. So T is equal to D Qn, D bar Qn plus D Qn bar. So this is XOR gate. Okay, so repeat, T is equal to D XOR Qn. Now we have T flip-flop. So T flip-flop will represent like this. So this is the T. So Qn and Qn bar. Okay. Then what is T? T is equal to D XOR So this is the XOR gate. Okay, this is the XOR gate. So this one is D. D. What is QN here? QN is connected here. Okay. Now it is look like D flip-flop. Actually, we have T flip-flop. Now we make it as D flip-flop. Okay, this is the conversion from T flip-flop to D flip-flop. Now we will see the reverse case. So we will convert D flip-flop to T flip-flop. We will see now. So D flip-flop to T flip-flop. So reply via chat. Which one is the destination flip-flop? Which one is the source flip-flop? Which one is the destination? Okay, T is equal to 0. We will get Qn. If T is equal to 1, we will get Qn bar. So this is the truth table for T flip-flop. That means if T is equal to 0, no change. T is equal to 1 means toggle state. Okay. Now we will write the excitation table for D flip-flop. So excitation table starts with Qn and Qn plus 1. Okay, and D. So that means 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So this is deep excitation table for D flip-flop is for 0, 0, we will get 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is the excitation table for